Hey, how are you? I'm good. I'm fine. Oh, come on, bro. Why don't you always say that? I'm fine. Bro, if you are still saying I'm fine, English will report to the police, right? Today, I will teach you simple and natural English like a native, okay? Look. Okay. I'm happy. I'm good with that. Continue.
በይዱቋንቋ የማይቻል ነገር የለም ሁሉም ይቻላል።
እስቲ ለምሳሌ አንድ ሰው ዛሬ ቀንህ እንዴት ነው ብሎ ቢጠይቅ እንዴት ነው የምመልሰው? How was your day ቢልህ ምን ብለህ ነው የምመልሰው? Easily, I'm fine, just I'm fine. No, bro. Come on. Always you don't have to say like that. Instead, try this, okay? ምን ማለት ትችላለህ መሰለህ? ልንገር. It was good. I had a busy day. It was good. I had a busy day. You can say. And pretty and productive. I finished my tasks. Pretty and productive. I finished my tasks ትላለህ. And also, it was excited. Something will happen today. You can say. It was excited and something will happen today. You can say. የሆነ ነገር ተፈጥሯል እያልክ ነው ማለት ነው. All right. Okay. Not bad. I manage everything. Not bad. I manage everything ማለት ይቻላል ማለት ነው. Not bad. I manage everything. ምን እያልክ ነው ማለት ነው? መጥፎ አልነበረም ሁሉንም በሚገባ አደረኩ ስትል not bad. I manage everything የሚለውን ፍሬዝ መጠቀም ትችላለህ። እንዲሁም ደግሞ a kind of trying but I survived. A kind of trying but I'm survived. You can say. ምንም ትከሻ የሚያደክም ቢሆንም ተቋቁሜ አልፌዋለሁ ማለት ትችላለህ። ስለዚህ ከዚህ በኋላ እንዳትጨነቅ ማለት ነው። እነዚህን አባባሎች በሚገባ መጠቀም ትችላለህ። ምን ስትባል ነው ልትጠቀም ትችላለህ? asking about your day. Exactly. ስለ asking about ሰው እንግዲህ እንደዚህ ስለ ቀንህ እንዴት ነበር ሲል ምንድነው አንደኛ ልትል የምትችለው? እስቲ ንገረኝ። Perfect. Okay. It was good. I had a busy day. It was good. I have a busy day. Exactly. Nice. And pretty productive. I finished my tasks. Pretty productive. I finished my tasks. It was excited. Something cool happened. It was excited. Something cool happened. Not bad. I manage everything well. Not bad. I manage everything well. The last one is kind of trying, but I'm survived. Kind of trying, but I'm survived. Exactly. በዚህ መንገድ ማውራት ትችላለህ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከዚህ በኋላ እንዳረሳ ኦኬ። But I have another one. ሌላም አለኝ እስቲ ጠይቀህ። Okay, let me ask you about the weekends. Okay, talking about the weekend ስለ ሳምንታቶች ስለ ቅዳሜና እሑድ ደግሞ እስቲ እንጠይቅ። ለምሳሌ ቅዳሜና እሑድህ እንዴት ነበረ? እንዴት አለፉብን? ምንድነው ልትል የምችለው? What did you do over the weekend? What did you do over the weekend? Nothing. Just home. Oh, come on. Instead of that, try this. You might say, I played football, it was fun. I played football, it was fun. Oh, I practice speaking online. I practice speaking online. Maybe ደግሞ ፊልም ደግሞ ካየህ ምናምን ነገር ፊልም አይቼ ነበር በጣም ተዝናንቼ ነበር ስትል ደግሞ I watched the movie, I really enjoyed it. I watched the movie, I really enjoyed it. ማለት ይቻላል ማለት ነው። So በዚህ መልኩ መግለጽ ትችላለህ። Okay? That's nice. I visit family. It was nice and relaxing. I visit family. It was nice and relaxing. ቤተሰቦቼን ጥየቃ ሄጄ ነበር በጣም አሪፍና ምርጥ ነው ስትል I visit family. It was nice and relaxing ማለት ይቻላል ማለት ነው። I went out with my friends. It was a great time. I went out with my friends. It was a great time, or we spent a great time ማለት ይቻላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ I went out with my friends. It was a great time ስትል ከጓደኞቼ ጋር ወጥቼ ነበር በጣም ምርጥ ጊዜ ነው ያሳለፍኩት እያልክ ነው ማለት ነው። Is that clear? ገብቶሃል ወይ? ንገረኝ እስቲ። ናይስ በጣም አሪፍ። እስቲ አሁን ንገረኝ እስቲ አምስቱን የነገርኩህ ንገረኝ። Okay. I play football. It was fun. I play football. It was fun. Very good. I practice English speaking online. I practice English speaking online. I practice speaking English online. Perfect. I watched the movie. I really enjoyed it. I watched the movie. I really enjoyed it. I visit family. It was nice and relaxing. I visit family. It was nice and relaxing. That's nice. Okay. Any answer? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. And okay, I went out with my friends. We had a great time. I went out with my friends. We had a great time. That's nice. Very wonderful. እናንተ በዚህ መንገድ ፕራክቲስ ማድረጋችሁ እንዳረሱ። I have another question also. Okay? Okay. All right. ምናልባት እስቲ now ስለ ሙድህ ወይም ስለ ስሜትህ ማውራት ቢኖርብን እንዴት ነው? Let's talk about feelings. Let's talk about your feeling. Okay. How are you feeling today, bro? How are you feeling today? Fine, fine. Usual. Come on. No, no, no. Always don't say like that. And instead of that, try this. Come on. እነዚህ ሞክሯቸው እስቲ። ሁሌ I'm fine ብቻ ሳይሆን በጣም ብዙ ገለጻዎችን የምገልጹባቸው ኤክስፕሬሽኖች አሉ። ላሳይ እስቲ ነው እዚህ ጋር። I'm feeling great. Thanks. I'm feeling great. Thanks. You can say I'm feeling great. Thanks. Okay? Or little tired but happy overall. Right? Little tired but happy overall. You can say I'm excited for today's class. I'm excited for today's class ማለት ትችላለህ ማለት ነው። Okay? Not the best but I'm okay. Not the best but I'm okay. Not the best but I'm okay. You can say. Or I'm in a good mood today. I'm in a good mood today. I'm in a good mood today. That's possible to say like that. So when you want to talk about feeling, your feeling and your moods, you can use these expressions. Okay, let me ask you now. እስቲ ልጠይቅህና መልስልኝ እያንዳንዱ። አንደኛው ምንድን ነው? Okay, I'm feeling great. Thanks. I'm feeling great. Thanks. Exactly. Good. The second one is little tired but happy overall. Little tired but happy overall. Yes, you say like that. Perfect. That's really nice. All right. And I'm excited for today's class. I'm excited for today's class. I'm excited for today's class. And the best, but I'm okay. Not the best, but I'm okay. The fifth, I'm in a good mood today. I'm in the good mood today. I'm in a good mood today. All right. All right. That's awesome. በጣም አሪፍ ማለት ነው። That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. በጣም ደስ ይላል። እንግዲህ እንዳየነው እንግዲህ ይሄንን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። ወደ ቀጣዩና ወደ መጨረሻው ደግሞ ጥያቄ አለኝ። I have a question, the last question. የመጨረሻ ጥያቄ ልጠይቅህ። ይሄን ከመለስክ you are the one ማለት ነው። Okay? መቼም ብዙ ነገር እንደተማርክ I hope. Exactly. Because this is yidulanguge too. የማይቻል ነገር የለም. Nothing is impossible. ጠይቃለሁ አሁን ማለት ነው። All right. What if you want to talk starting a small talk? ለምሳሌ ከሆኑ ከፍሬንዶች ጋር የተወሰነ ውይይት ማድረግ ወይም ስሞል ቶክ ማድረግ ስትፈልግ የምትጠቀማቸውን ነገሮች በዚሁ አያይዤ አስተምርሃለሁ። Okay? All right. What's new with you, bro? What's new with you? If somebody say like this, what would you answer? What's new with you? Fine. I mean, nothing. Nothing. Come on. You made a mistake right now. Don't use again these expressions. And instead of that, come. Let me show you what kind of expressions you are going to use. Here it is. Okay. The first one is nothing much, just staying busy. Nothing much, just staying busy. All right? Nothing much, just staying busy. You can say small old, but life's good. Small old, but life's good. Actually, I started learning something new. I started learning something new. This is also some expression that you can use. Okay? And I've been working for a few things. I've been working for a few things. I have been working for a few things. You can say like that. And I'm good. Anything new with you? It's happening. It's happening. I'm good. Anything new with you? I'm good. Anything new with you? You can say like that. Is that clear? All right. እስቲ አሁን ትነግረኛለህ እነዚህን ኤክስፕሬሽኖች ለምንድን ነው የምትጠቀመው? To start a small talk ለማድረግ ማለት ነው። To start a small talk ለማድረግ እነዚህን ትጠቀማለህ። ምንድን ነው ያልናችሁ? እስቲ ቶሎ ቶሎ ንገረኝ። የመጀመሪያው Okay, nothing much, just staying busy. Nothing much, just staying busy. Nothing much, just staying busy. Exactly. And the second one is small old, but life's good. Small old, but life's good. Exactly. Perfect. The third one, actually, I started learning something new. Actually, I started learning something new. I've been working on a few things. I have been working on a few things. I have been working on a few things. The last one is I'm good anything new with you. I'm good anything new with you. Am I right, Yidu? Am I right? Exactly. Perfect. That's perfect. Thank you so much. That's nice. Thank you so much. Now you can make a small talk like a pro. Perfect. If you are using these expressions. የነገርኩን በመጠቀም እንደፈለክ የመሆን ትችላለህ ማለት ነው። We'll keep on. እንሰራለን በቀጣይም። ተመችቶኛል። እነዚህን እጠቀማቸዋለሁ በዕለት ለዕለት ህይወቴ ላይ ከዚህ በኋላ ያልከኝን እጠቀማቸዋለሁ ማለት ነው። እናንተም መጠቀም አለባችሁ ማለት ነው። I think this is an important lesson. Don't you think? Exactly. I hope you guys also like this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ ኮሜንት ላይ ደግሞ if you have any new idea, doubts, thoughts, and also comment and suggestion, please leave your comment under the comment section because as usual we say that nothing is impossible. የማይቻል ነገር የለም በይዱ ቋንቋ የለም ሁሉም ይቻላል። Exactly. This is what exactly doing ማለት ነው። ያደረግን ያለን እሱ ነው። እንግዲህ ለዚህ ቻናል አሁንም አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እና ላይክ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ እንድትሆኑ ጠይቃለሁ። ለወዳጅ ዘመዶቻችሁ ቪዲዮን ሼር አድርጋችሁ አካፍላችሁ ማለት ነው። I will see you by the next time. እስከዛው bye bye.